Hello everybody, welcome to Wearnes Autohaus. This car here is now undergoing an aircon servicing procedure. Okay, a bit of a background. This car, 10-year-old, has never undergone an aircon service before in its lifespan. Yeah, so this is the first time this car is undergoing an aircon service. They'll be flushing out all the gas from inside the car, and we'll see how the aircon system has been holding up over the years. So now they are sucking the gas out of the aircon system into the machine. So they are sucking out the gas, and after which they'll be pumping in new gas together with new compressor oil. Alright, so they have sucked out 470 grams of gas from the car, and now they're doing a vacuum test to check if there's leakage in the air conditioning piping. Okay, so the vacuum test will take 30 minutes to get its results. Alright, so the vacuuming is done. Now we are charging the gas and compressor oil back into the aircon system. Okay, just to show you, this is the oil, right? The compressor oil that was pumped out from the car. So little only?
2 little only.
Oh, I thought it should be a lot, right? No.
No. Very little only. Big black color.
Okay, there's a bit of darkness in there. Yeah, all this is accumulated due to age lah. Okay, so what you're doing is
to clean the interior, the cooling system, the evaporator.
Okay, so you're cleaning the evaporator.
So to use this one.
Okay.
Because the air from here suction from here.
Okay.
So we just put it here lah.
So here, this is where they suck back the interior air for when you do when you set the recirculating mode, right? Okay.
So press this one. Okay, just leave it.
So leave it there for how long?
Until finish in 10 minutes.
Okay. So it's one whole can like that lah.
One whole can finish.
Okay.
I think 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Just close the door, let it clean.
Okay, so this is the Wearnes Airconmatic procedure. So the aircon is set with full blower. The climate control is set. Aircon blower to maximum speed, but air conditioning is off. Close the door, and now wait 10 minutes.